Unlocking the Meaning of Prosthesis, a Guide to English Vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to unlock the meaning behind a word you might have heard but may not fully understand: prosthesis. Stick around to find out not just what it means, but also how to use it in conversation. Let's dive in and expand our vocabulary together. When we talk about a prosthesis, we're referring to an artificial device that replaces a missing body part, which may have been lost through trauma, disease, or a congenital condition. Prostheses are designed to restore some function or appearance of the missing body part. There are many types, from limbs and teeth to internal organs. The term prosthesis has its roots in ancient Greek. The prefix pro means in addition, and thesis means placing. Combined, it literally translates to placing in addition to, which reflects the idea of adding something artificial to the body. Now, let's see how to use prosthesis in a sentence. After the accident, the athlete used a prosthesis to replace his lost limb and continued to compete. Dental prostheses have advanced significantly, looking and functioning like natural teeth. Notice that when we use prosthesis in a sentence, it's often associated with the replacement of a body part and involves the act of restoration or enhancement. Prostheses can be categorized into two main types. External prostheses, like artificial limbs, which are worn outside the body. Internal prostheses, such as heart valves or hip replacements, which are implanted inside the body. Each type serves a unique purpose and requires different care and handling. You might also come across the word prosthetic. While prosthesis is a noun, prosthetic can be used as an adjective. For example, he received a prosthetic leg. The prosthetic device improved her quality of life significantly. It's worth mentioning the significant impact that prostheses have on individuals' lives. They can dramatically improve mobility and function, leading to enhanced independence and self-esteem. The development of prostheses represents a vital field in medicine and technology, constantly evolving to better meet the needs of individuals. And that wraps up our exploration of the word prosthesis. We've seen how it's used to describe a powerful medical device that compensates for a lost body part, thereby making a profound difference in people's lives. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has enriched your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.